In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get weapons and skins here in Roblox Rivals. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now we're going to start with the most obvious way. If you just open up the shop, you can go to the little skin section and purchase all of these skins for either Robux, keys, stuff like that. There's also bundles as well that are worth checking out because they do have some pretty cool ones. But that is obviously the most main way. If you do want to get some free skins, what you can do is, once again, open up the shop, go to the season pass, and unlock your free season pass skin rewards as well. Now, as you level up, you earn rewards like skin tickets as well, which can be used to unlock skins without spending Robux. And you can also check the event section if there's any events going on as well, since some skins are tied to limited rewards. You can also go ahead and open up your backpack, which is currently away since I don't have anything on there right now. But if you open up your backpack, you can go ahead and redeem whatever's in there. Sometimes it's like capsules or crates or whatever, and those can give you skins. But to actually equip those skins, open up your weapon menu section, find whatever weapon it is, go to wrap or skin, and of course you can go ahead and change it from there. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. The main ways, once again, are just on the shop with Robux, season pass rewards, events, playing the game for drops, and that really is it. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.